it's your girl Renee Bell, and today I am doing another video. But based on our video today, I am going to be showing you guys how to make baked salmon featuring Mr.
Bag of bitch.
Boy, if you guys enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. Starting off with the salmon. The salmon is fresh and clean. I filleted the salmon.
That's not fresh.
Huh? I'm going to add some lime. Come squeeze the lime for me.
Nigga, you got 2 hands, girl. God, you got one side, got other side.
No, that's for the second one.
What second one?
For the lime on top.
Oh, my fault.
So Jay is gonna squeeze the lime.
No, you
gonna
squeeze the lime.
Okay, well I'm gonna squeeze the lime.
Tell me what to do. It's my video. I'm
squeezing the lime so the lime gets rid of the scent, even though I cleaned it with lime anyways, but I'm adding this to give the fish acidity because fish needs acid. Alright.
It was just on drugs.
What? Well, I'm out, man.
Did you even wash your hands, my guy?
Oh, dang.
Wash your hands. Key is always make sure your...
My fault.
Key is always make... Key is always make sure your hands are washed. Even though I already washed my hands, you know, you always got to make sure they wash their hands because we don't know where their hands been.
Dude, my hands clean.
Okay.
Just like Jayy. Always.
Okay. And now, this is the Haitian secret, which is épices. And I'm just only adding 2, maybe like 1.5 tablespoons of épices. There's a épice on there.
I ain't put it on mine last time. Wait, which one you making? Oh, I thought you was making the oh.
Yeah. Just baked salmon.
I thought you was doing the other one.
Then I'm adding some Salmon seasoning. You guys may see like.
Where can they buy that?
You can buy this. Dang.
I was asking a question.
You can buy this at Walmart or Aldi.
That's all you had.
And all the seasonings that I'm gonna be using.
You talking too much.
You may think it.
You doing too much talking to get it cooking. You got cooked. Got cook pressure.
So you can find this at Walmart. But all the seasonings that I'm gonna be using, you may think it's a lot, but it's not a lot, okay?
No, they don't.
Yeah.
You're supposed to season with flavor.
Alright, so we're adding 1 Salmon seasoning because this is really one
bro, put
fillet.
a thing in the fish, bro.
Boy, you is not finna tell me what to do.
This is my video now.
Guys, this is literally how we are every single day. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Some onion powder.
Onion powder.
And you just eye it. I just eye it because
that's how we got high cholesterol now. I had it too long.
You eye it.
Dang!
It's onion powder. People know onion powder. So garlic powder. I think this burning.
It's open from the top.
Yeah, this is burning.
Yeah, go ahead, use that one. See if I got my dump truck. That's cool.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
You said garlic powder. Hey!
Let me wash my hands, y'all. Let me wash my hands. Alright. Okay. Some garlic powder.
Let's go.
Can you open it for me, please? Because my
You got $1?
I was asking people if they got $1.
See, look, you got that superhuman strength.
Pepper 2. You just eye it.
Alright, bro, damn.
Dude. Some adobo. Say it.
You don't need to share.
Say it.
Adobo.
Adobo, yeah. Adobo.
Adobo.
Use some adobo.
My ancestors taught me.
My ancestors. The reason why I say like eye it for real is because my ancestors tell me when to stop, you know? I don't really know how to do like the measurements. I just eye it and, you know, it's just a filter.
Damn, you heard that pop?
Alright, and then some complete seasoning. This is also one of my favorite seasonings I like using too.
I ain't made it all on my wrist.
And you
hold on, whoa, wait.
You can base the chili powder off of like how spicy you want it.
Bro,
and me, I like spicy, but
I be doing too much, bro.
I know, this is how I cook. I just add a little bit.
You know, cooking don't run in the family anymore.
Okay. Red crushed pepper, just a little. A little goes a long way.
You said a little bit. You done pour about half a container.
That's a little bit.
Shit.
And
100 million. Richard
some
Millie
Old
around my
Bay.
wrist.
So with the Old Bay,
Richard Millie around my wrist. Richard Millie around my wrist.
With the Old Bay.
You could never.
Small watch, boy.
Yes, Richard Millie. Richard Millie around my wrist.
With the Old Bay, a little goes a long way.
You already know what time it is.
So just one little
to me.
pinch. There you go. Just like that. Because that's going to bring everything together. And then salt. Just a pinch of salt because it brings all the flavors together.
No, it don't. It just make it salty.
No, it don't. When you eat it, does it taste salty?
I don't know. I'm allergic to fish.
Okay. Stop it. You're capping.
Richard Millie around my wrist.
That's it.
Damn, strong ass pinches.
Then we have some
red peppers, yellow peppers, onions.
And we're gonna add it all in there.
Yeah. You must like onions, huh?
Yeah, I do.
I can tell by your breath.
Yo! That is not funny. Yeah, okay, you got that. You got that. And then you
Richard Millie around my wrist.
What? How you do that thing?
What thing? Wait for it.
How you do it?
It's like
Okay. So you get in there. So you
get in there. No, my hands dirty.
You already watched it.
They dirty. Come on. They dirty, bro.
They just touched his booty.
I say that every time. Oh, you put the lid on?
I'm using the lid. That's my secret.
Hey,
I'm
put
using
the
the
lid on
lid.
the thing. Don't you gotta fry it? Oh, you gonna get burned.
I'm not.
Alright.
Beautiful, and it has all the beautiful colors and flavors intact into it. And now we're going to just sear both sides. Pretty nice. And you add some of your vegetables in there, which is the onions and the red bell peppers. And we're just gonna let that sear on its back for like 2 minutes, just so it can have a crust. And then we're gonna flip the side. And you'll start to notice that like when it's starting to cook, we don't wanna cook it all the way, but sear it, it's gonna turn like white-ish, somewhat in a sense. I'm no professional, I just like to cook. And you can smell that, smells so good.
Dang!
See how it has that nice brown golden crust? Yeah, and you just let it cook for 2 minutes on the side. It just gives it that beautiful nice crust, y'all. And it smells so delicious. So after we seared the salmon, this is the finished results. Now we're going to let this bake for 45 minutes to an hour. And we are going to add just a little bit of lime on top.
I can do that.
Just a little just a little bit of lime. It's not that serious, but just a little bit on each one, yeah. Like I said, the lime gives the fish a great acidic flavor because when you mix it with the spice, everything just combines together.
Spice!
And now I'm gonna go back in and I'm just gonna add I can't with you. Oh, you about to get fired. Add some complete seasoning, just a pinch on each section, so when it bakes, everything is crispy, crusty.
Jeez.
Crusty, crusty, everything come together. All right, you want to do this?
Nah, you got it, fam. Because you mess it up, you're gonna blame it on me.
No, I'm not, because I just add a little on each one.
All right, that's it.
On each.
That's it.
Dude.
That's what I'm saying. That pressure.
Just a little on each.
I got a quarter in my pocket.
All right.
Heads or tails?
And then I just add like a pinch of salt.
Heads or tails, nigga?
Heads or
tails? Tails.
A pinch of salt just on top so everything can combine again.
That's that cholesterol hitting again.
Dude, you just know.
What if it just like ripped open in it?
Oh, I would have cried, bro.
I would have
like
still baked it. Somebody gotta do it.
All right.
You got the oven preheating?
Yep. So we have the oven preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and like I said before, we are going to let this bake for 45 minutes to an hour, and then you guys will see the finished results.
All right, put it in the oven.
It's preheating.
Man, put that thing in the oven, girl.
If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys.